Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to buy fractional shares on Robinhood. First, open the Robinhood app and search for the stock or ETF you want to invest in. Once you're on the stock page, tap Trade, then select Buy. By default, it should say buy in dollars. If not, tap the option and switch it to buy in dollars. Now, enter the amount you want to invest. It can be as little as $1 or $5 and tap review order. You'll see the fraction of the share you're purchasing. Finally, swipe up to submit your order. And that's it. You've just bought a fractional share on Robinhood. And that's how to buy fractional shares on Robinhood. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.